Welcome. Let's get started. The first step is to navigate to your Bit Integrations dashboard. Click on Create Integration, and choose Bitform as the trigger. Then choose a specific task name, like WooCommerce Product Upload. Next, choose WooCommerce as the action. Now, click on the Connect button, and proceed to map the corresponding form fields. After mapping the fields, click Next and save the flow. Step 2. Once the setup is complete, please fill out the specific form and submit it. Step 3. Now open your WooCommerce product dashboard and verify that the product with the submitted information has been successfully uploaded. If the test is successful, your Bitform to WooCommerce automation is now live.